We love it when we have very talented musicians on the program, Steve, and we're going to head on over to the Great Day solo stage. Right now, Matt Woods is joining us. Hey, Matt, how you doing, my friend?
How are you guys? Thanks for having me.
Good. You have a big show coming up in just a little more than a week, right?
That's right. Next Saturday, October 10th, I'll be having my CD release party at Lefty's Live Music in Des Moines.
That's a pretty cool place to have parties like this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a great place for music. It's a great place to hang out. So
now, if you haven't been over there, now what can people expect with your new CD?
It's my fourth album, the first one I've done that's all original music. So that's kind of the theme for that. It's all original songs. So
that sounds great. All right, you ready to go, my friend?
Sure.
All right, take it away.
All right, here's one off the new CD.
A king. What you got was your food. It ain't stealing if you give it away. It ain't stealing if you give it away. It ain't loving. You didn't want me to stay.
Matt Woods, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to be playing over at Lefty's a week from Saturday. Album release show, mattwoodsmusic.com. And what is the name of your new CD there, Matt?
Sawdust and Gasoline.
Which always makes for a party.
That's right.
There you go. Now, how many picks do you have on your hand there? That was really kind of cool.
One on each of these two fingers here.
Well, that's awesome. And you got all that. And is that a steel guitar?
That's a National steel guitar. Yep.
Oh, it has that unique sound to it. It sounds really cool.
Thank you. Well, you pay for that.
Oh, I'm sure you do. Yeah, I'm sure the top dollar for that. Do you have another song we can check out?
Yeah, this is the title song from the CD, Sawdust and Gasoline. So.
We got together, babe, and I thought it was a dream. Prettiest little girl that I'd ever seen. But she took the tractor and the mill, left me with sawdust and gasoline. I went crazy, man, you know what I mean. With a fine-looking figure, and she knew how to keep it clean. But she took the tractor in the mill, left me with sawdust and gasoline. I'm gonna start a fire, now watch it burn. She took all I had, but now it's my turn. Oh, the tractor in the mill left me with sawdust and gasoline. Big old fire. Tractor in the mill left me with sawdust and gasoline.
Sawdust and Gasoline, title track from his new CD, and it's going to be released coming up a week from Saturday. 10 o'clock is showtime. Lefties Live Music Lounge, great venue, great musical artists, and a great new CD. That is so cool. Thank you for coming over, Matt. Appreciate it.
Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.
Wonderful. If you could do us a favor, if you could play us into commercial break, that'd be awesome.
You bet.